Hey fellow geocachers, got a little friend with me today. We're going to make another video. We're down here at Young's Dairy Farm. This is Monkey Man 09, and we're going to go get this little geocache. This Young's Dairy Farm has been around over 149 years. It's a petting zoo. It's got little rides. It's got a little putt-putt golf course. It's got a lot of food. But if you ever get a chance to come down here and check out the geocache and have fun playing around with all the little animals. So we'll be back with you right here shortly. Okay, geocachers, we're back. It's very busy here, but I don't care about the mogul thing because you can never come here and not be around a lot of people. So I'm going to let Monkey Man go ahead of me, and he's going to go get this, and we're going to look into it. Okay, there's a combination on the side. You have to go in, put it down, and go back. You go into the hint.
1868. Oh, hey! Come here. Come here.
Should be 149.
Alright, it's time we go, huh? Here.
Yeah, put it on that back side. And there we go, folks. This is a nice one. I'm gonna leave a travel bug. We're gonna get him to sign this, and I'm gonna sign it. And so we just wanted to let you guys see some of the cool stuff that's in it. So that's our video for today, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel, Lowe's Adventures. I need to get some all my people out there to get to watching these, so hope you had fun. Hope it wasn't too bad a video trying to do it with our hands. So until next one, keep geocaching.